two fans, and one is for the inside and the other one goes to the outside, and both of them operated by the one same motors. And this is for the inside. Actually, the outside unit fan normally located outside, so make the outside unit cooler, and the blow fan inside goes inside. This for the evaporator, that's called evaporator something. This is the cooling unit. This is the compressor, called compressor. Evaporator, the outside unit, radiator. Once the freon gas got cold from the compressor, the high compressed freon gas coming from all the way down, you're gonna see the line, the pipeline all the way down there. It's going from there through the thick line. We call the thick line low pressure pipe. It goes to the evaporator, which goes to inside unit, and travel through the evaporator, and from the bottom it goes back to through the thin, comparatively thinner line than the low pressure pipeline. It got really thin at this point, rolled up, and it goes to the radiator looking thing, which goes to outside unit. So the radiator helps the hot freon gas got cooler. The hot freon gas goes to the bottom side of the radiator, and once it got cooler, it coming out from the upside, the top part of the radiator, and goes down. They just banded the pipe like this. It goes back to the compressor, so it can be compressed and got much colder than here. And now I put these back together, the outside the radiator thing. This fan blower blows the cold air which is inside the evaporator to the room, and at the same time, by the same motor, the outside unit fan operated by the same fan here. It cooled down the radiator outside. So the hot air, which is hot freon gas coming out of the evaporator inside and through the pipeline. Where is the pipeline? And goes to the really thin pipeline, rolled up, and go back to the bottom side of the radiator, and it got colder inside the radiator, and after circulating, go back to the compressor, and it got colder, and the cold gas comes out of the bottom, go back to the evaporator, which is located inside. And so once the AC is working, this evaporator thing should be really cold, and this unit really cold, and the blow fan will blow the cold air to the room. Now I hook the cable up and put the blowing fan mode.